So Ishan, I'll take the next session.
No, I'm taking the next one.
But I know Google Studio more, so I'll just take it, right?
No, bhai, I have built a lot of AI tools and websites inside.
Have you seen my website?
Yeah, but I also build. You see my landing page. It's pretty cool.
Okay, you know what? You also record, I also record. Let them decide which one is better.
Yeah, obviously. Like, let's see who makes the website better. So I got the challenge from Raul that I cannot build the websites like him, and obviously I have to prove him wrong. So today I would see that if I could make a website better than him. So tools we would be using are Google AI Studio and Claude. So let's hop into the computer screen. We are into the screen and we are building something crazy. Like we are building a landing page for Jarvis. It's an AI tool which can do anything for you. Writing your mails, scheduling tasks, and it's like your right hand. So let's get started. I'm using Google AI Studio to build this. You just have to type Google AI Studio and click upon build. Now it's asking me to describe an app and let Gemini do this. But trust me, if I type this, it's gonna make the results worse because I am not a good prompter. But what if I use Claude to do this? So I am using AI to prompt AI. So let's get into the Claude. Basically, I went to the Claude and I typed, hey Claude, I want to build a website or basically a landing page for a tool, and I described what I want to build in plain English. Trust me, very generic language. Now, as you can see, it's going through its skills, searching the internet, and it's creating the prompt for me. Let's see what Claude comes up with. Wow! Claude has generated such a detailed guide. Like it is the entire prompt which it has generated from me, and it has everything like text, fonts, colors, animations, and everything you need to make a website. Now I just copy this entire prompt and go to Google AI Studio, and this is where the real magic starts. I simply click here, paste this entire prompt and click upon build. Okay, so finally our website is ready, and let's see आखिर Google AI Studio ने क्या generate किया है. Bro, it's pretty cool, isn't it? Like here is this very nice code like MacBook terminal style design. If I switch up, it's some animations, calendar intelligence, decision engine, from chaos to clarity. Bro, it's insane. I loved the design. They like it has some, dummy what should I say? It has plants and everything. I loved the design. Now let's see what Raul has created.
Okay, till now we have been building Jarvis, right? The agentic AI tool and all. But for that, we need also a landing page so people can know about our Jarvis AI tool. And that is what we'll be building in this episode, which I will be building better, and apparently Ishan is also building it. You guys like mine, right? Just go comment Raul's genre juice, Raul's is better, Raul the rockstar, no one can. Okay, let's just build mine and you guys tell which is better, okay? So we will be using Google AI Studio to build a landing page. Even if you're a student, even if you are a, let's say a developer, even if you are an entrepreneur and an employee, you need a landing page as a portfolio or anything. So this is very, very, very important. And obviously mine is going to be better. Now, how I start by creating a landing page? First, we need the content, right? So first I would like to show you some of my landing pages which I have created. Like one is my portfolio. If you go to arm.pro/Raul, you'll actually see this with this cute robot. This is my website by this. So I'm not that bad, just so you know guys, just so you know. So with these cool animations and this, I love my website by the way. I did a lot of hard work. Okay, why the videos are not loading? That's not my fault, but there are supposed to be videos here playing also. Okay, let's close this for now. But that is my website which I have made. Now, ThinkCraft also has a website which is at arm.pro. It's supposed to be arm.pro/ThinkCraft. But if you want to know more about ThinkCraft, that website also I have created. Okay, if you scroll down, you can see both our courses, the picture, everything is here. So even this was created with the help of AI. Now if you scroll up, everything is here. Now what we want to create is, for a Jarvis, we need a landing page like this. A full-on website with backend and all is next with Cursor, which I'll only be teaching obviously. But this is going to be a landing page. So what we want to do, first we are going to take our friend Claude, okay? And what I'm going to tell it, imagine I'm building a website for Jarvis. Tell me everything about it and help me build it. Obviously, Ishan is doing very bad right now, hopefully. Okay, I want... I'm just going to say this. You make sure the prompt is as good. Do not look at my spelling. But what we are trying to tell Claude is, you have to kind of, okay, clean, professional, bold, energetic. Let's go with Gen Z, bold and energetic. Okay. What we basically are telling Claude is, okay, this is my website idea at Jarvis, but for everyone. Based on that, give me as many questions as possible to build the best prompt to give Google Studio. Premium AI. Let's do this. This is going to be cool. Okay, while this cooks, while it creates the prompts, I'm going to do something. First, we are going to go to 21st Dev. I think I already told you guys about it. In the next session, I will be. But basically here you can go and kind of copy stuff which you like. Okay, let's just add this. Add 3D. If I could use Claude and all, I would make like a 3D cool website. Add 3D elements. Also make it look cool.
15 minutes later.
Please say, okay, meet Jarvis, your AI rules. Core system. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Oh my god, this looks too cool. I wish I was doing this with something I actually need, not a random. Ishan literally after 50 minutes sent me his website, so let's check it out. Please don't be better than mine. Yeah. Okay. 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 I win, right? I win. George, what do you think?
I mean, I want to be biased here, but let's let Shaurya decide.
Oh yeah, about that. We also gave Shaurya, one of my other friends who's very close to us. You might know him. He has like some crore ka company for a lot of employees in his companies and all. But I told him to judge which he likes. Shaurya is by the way the master of, you could say, Google Studio, because he created Leap, one of his websites, which is very cool in Google Studio. So let's see what he says.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Zoom in into that answer. Which is better?
Who is that? Yours.
By sorry, Josh. I knew it would be by. Okay, you might need to zoom out and all. I'm sorry. Oh god. Let's go, guys. Okay, let me just call thank you. Let's call Ishan. Hi, Ishan.
Hello.
Tell me, what do you feel? Did you see my website?
Yeah, it was good, yaar. All the people have different ways to do it. You guys tell us which one you liked and...
Sure. This is what people who knows will say. But no, guys, I'm actually joking. Some of you guys might like Ishan. Some of you guys might like mine. Comment down below and figure out your own way to do. Abhi Ishan ne might have used Claude. I use 21st Dev. Everyone has their own way. So go search and find out the best way you should do this. And comment down below what you think might be better. Anyway, the next session is on Cursor, which I'll only be teaching, which will literally teach you how to connect your n8n or your agent into a front end like a ChatGPT. Okay, that's coming next. Bye for now. Before you leave, click on the link in the description and submit the projects which you are building, because on June 6th, we will actually be presenting it to millions of people on my Instagram, and me and Ishan will also give you feedbacks on it on June 6th on a live video. Yes, even though these are pre-recorded, live video is happening on June 6th, but make sure your projects are based on what we are teaching you to. We are doing this for free, guys. Also, do you know another thing which is completely free? The ThinkCraft app. If you want to learn more about AI for students, AI for businesses, things like that, imagine Duolingo but to learn AI with gifts and how I teach. Check out the ThinkCraft app because it's completely free and it's on Play Store too. That link is also in the description and the comments. And if you join our WhatsApp channel, all the links are there too, guys. Okay, bye for now. Join tomorrow, okay? Join.